Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
7 common phrasal verbs with pack. Like and subscribe to the channel. Pack up. Meaning, to collect your belongings and prepare to leave a place. Example, it's getting late. We should pack up and head home. Pack in. Meanings. 1. To stop doing something, often because of frustration or failure. After years of struggling, he decided to pack in his acting career. 2. To fit a lot into a short period or small space. We managed to pack in 3 tourist attractions in one day. Pack off. Meaning, to send someone away, often to another location. Example, they packed off their kids to summer camp for 2 weeks. Pack away. Meanings. 1. To store something neatly in its proper place. After the party, we had to pack away all the decorations. 2. To eat a large amount of food informal. He really packed away that pizza last night. Pack out. Meaning, to fill a space completely with people or items. Example, the concert was so popular that it packed out the entire stadium. Pack up on. Meaning, when something stops working or fails unexpectedly. Example, my laptop packed up on me right before the deadline. Pack into. Meaning, to fit or crowd people or things into a small space. Example, we managed to pack into a tiny car for the road trip. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.